Hey guys, welcome to Chris Likes Cars, and today I'm going to show you a quick DIY, very simple task. You're going to change your light bulb carrier for your tail lights. Today we're going to be working on my 2007 E92. It's a 335i with the N54 in it. She is my daily, racking up 166,000 miles right now. And I know my bulb carrier is going out because it's done this on my passenger side. My brake light's fading out. I've replaced the bulb and it's still doing the same thing. So today we're going to talk about that. Well, we already talked about it, so we're just going to do this. Here's my bulb carrier. I got this guy from ECS Tuning, $36 with the bulbs included. It is an original BMW part, so I think that was a pretty good deal. I'm located on the East Coast, so shipping on this was fairly good. Excuse my trunk, by the way, it is a mess. So behind this ball is the panel for your battery, and it's got like a little quick release there, and behind that is your bulb carrier for the passenger side, which would be the right side. Here I'm changing the driver's side, which is the left side. What you got to do is pop this panel out. You should be able to do this without any tools, maybe a flathead or a pick if the lighting gets better in here. I'll show you guys real quick. Right here is the connector to the bulb carrier, and then down here there's a gray tab. Kind of difficult to see, I apologize. But on this tab right here, if you pull it upwards, it should release the carrier. That was easy. This thing might have not even been in there all the way. But here's the bulb carrier. And then you gotta find the connector. You could either pull the connector out before. I like to do it after. It's a little easier, in my opinion at least. But I'm gonna pop that off and we're gonna go over the new carrier. Here's the new carrier from ECS. I'm located on the East Coast and so are they, so shipping was fairly quick. Let's hope I don't break anything. So all bulbs included. Pretty much the same thing here. Should be good to go. Hope this works for you guys. Thanks for watching.